Make sure nobody creeping behind you.
I'm closing my eyes.
No, close your eyes. You gotta look.
It feels like I'm really in love.
Is there a staircase or something? Make sure nothing's by the staircase.
No, don't say that. Don't say the dark room.
Make sure the door's not opening.
Can you just tell me what's gonna happen?
I don't know. I don't even know what that one is.
No. I'm so scared. No. No. There's a girl walking on the TV.
If she disappears, look behind you.
No.
She disappeared?
No. She's just walking behind the couch. No. There's another person. Stop, please. This is a night.